Hello everyone. So we are continuing to solve our CBSE math board papers, and in continuation with the year 2016, this is set 2. We have finished section A, section B and section C in our previous videos, and now we have to move to section D. There are 11 questions of 4 marks each, and question number 21st. In this question, we have 50 schools who collectively offer to share the cost of 1500 tents equally. We have tents whose base in the form of cylinder, and we have a cone on the top, and the radius of this cylinder is 2.8 meter and the height is 3.5 meter, and the height of the conical part is 2.1 meter and the base radius is same. To find the area of the canvas used here, we have to find the total surface area of this tent. So this is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Let's write down the formulae. So we have curved surface area of cone is pi RL, and for cylinder is 2 pi RH. So let's find out the value of L. L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So we have radius is 2.8 whole square plus 2.1 whole square. Square root of 7.84 plus 4.41. This is equal to square root of 12.25. So this is a perfect square, so 3.5 meter. Now let's substitute this here. So pi and r I can take common here. So I have L plus 2h left. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 2.8 for both, and L is 3.5 plus 2 into 3.5, height of the cylinder. So this is 0.4. So this is equal to 8.8 into 3.5 plus 7. This is equal to 8.8 into 10.5. Little bit of rough work here. So 105 into 88, and this is 840 and 840. So this would be equal to 2.40 meter square. So this is the area of the canvas required for one tent. So now area of 1500 tents would be equal to 92.4 into 1500. So therefore cost is equal to area into rate. Rate is 120 per square meter. So area is equal to 92.4 into 1500 into rate is 120, and amount shared by each school. So there are 50 schools, will be equal to 92.4 into 1500 into 120 divided by 50. So this gets cancelled, and 300 10 gets cancelled for this decimal point. So we have 924 into 12 into 30. So this is equal to 12,448, 428 to 108 and 110 into 30. So this is equal to 0, 24, 2, 26 and 3 and 3. So this is the answer, rupees. and the value shown here is to help the needy people.
Question number 22nd.
In this question, we are given two circles with equal radius with centers O and O dash. So this is O and this is O dash. They're touching each other at X. So a line is drawn from O to this. So this point is A, and AC is tangent to the circle with center O. This point is C, and we are given OD dash is perpendicular to AC. So this is perpendicular to AC. OC will be perpendicular to AC. We have to find the value of DO dash by CO. We are given two equal circles with centers O and O dash touching each other at X, and we are also given O dash D is perpendicular to AC. Okay, and we have to find DO dash by CO. Okay, so let's say radii of both circles be R. In triangles ADO dash and ACO, we have angle A is equal to angle A because that's the common angle, and angle ADO dash is equal to angle ACO. Both are equal to 90 degree as O dash is perpendicular to AC and OC is perpendicular to AC. Line from center to tangent. Therefore, triangle ADO dash is similar to triangle ACO by AA property. So by CPCT, we have AO dash by AO is equal to O dash D by OC is equal to AD by AC, and AO dash is equal to R and AO will be equal to 3R because the diameter of one circle and radius of other circles, so 3R. Therefore, AO dash by AO is equal to R by 3R. So this is equal to 1 by 3, and this is also equal to DO dash by CO. So answer we have DO dash by CO is equal to 1 by 3.
23rd question.
This question says a number X is selected from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and another number Y is selected from the numbers 1, 4, 9 and 16, and we have to find the probability that the product of X and Y is less than 16. So XY has to be less than 16. So let's see all the products now. Let's have 4 numbers here. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we have 1, 4, 9 and 16. So this product would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3, this would be 4 and this would be 4, 8, 12 and 16. Then this would be 9 and 18, 27 and 36. Then 16, 32, 48 and 64. So what are the options for having product less than 16, not even 16, right? So this would be this number, then this number, this number, this number, this, then 16. It should be less than 16. So that's all. Probability of even equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So total outcomes are 16 here. Okay, and number of favorable outcomes are 8. Therefore, probability of this event is equal to 8 by 16. So we have 1 by 2 answer.
Question number 24th.
In this question, we are given a triangle ABC, and A is 4, 6, B is 1 and 5, then C is 7 and 2, and the line segment DE is drawn. D and E are given. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to calculate the area of triangle ADE and we have to compare it with the area of triangle ABC. To calculate the area of the triangle ADE, first we need to find out the coordinates of D and E. AD by AB is equal to 1 by 3. AD and AB I can write down as AD plus DB is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, thrice AD is equal to AD plus DB. So I can say twice AD is equal to DB. So therefore, AD is to DB is equal to 1 is to 2. Similarly, we'll have the ratio of AE is to EC is also equal to 1 is to 2. So now we can use the section formula to find out the coordinates of D and E. So section formula we have as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 6 and y2 is equal to 5. So now let's substitute. So coordinates of point D for xy is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2, and for y coordinate we have 1 into 5 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So these are equal to 1 plus 8 divided by 3, and we have here 12 and 5 17 by 3. So this is equal to 9 by 3 and 17 by 3. This goes by 3 times. So coordinates of D are 3 and 17 by 3. Similarly, for coordinates of E. M1 is equal to 1, M2 is equal to 2, and x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 7, y1 is equal to 6, and y2 is equal to 2. Now let's substitute for the coordinates of E. xy is equal to, we have 1 into 7 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2, and we have for y coordinate 1 into 2 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 7 plus 8 divided by 3 and 2 plus 12 by 3. So this is equal to 15 by 3 and this is 14 by 3. So this is 5. So coordinates for point E are 5 and 14 by 3. Area of the triangle is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Area of triangle ADE, we have the coordinates x1 y1 is equal to 4 and 6, x2 y2 is equal to 3 and 17 by 3, then x3 y3 is equal to 5 and 14 by 3. So now let's substitute. So area is equal to half into 4 into 17 by 3 minus 14 by 3 plus 3 into 14 by 3 minus 6 plus 5 into 6 minus 17 by 3. Half into 4 into 3 by 3 plus 3 into 18. So minus 4 by 3 plus 5 into 18 minus 17, so 1 by 3. So this is equal to half, and this is 4, this gets cancelled, minus 4 plus 5 by 3. So this gets cancelled, so we get 5 by 6. We have to find out the area of triangle ABC also to compare. So now here x1 y1 is equal to 4 and 6, x2 y2 is equal to 1 and 5, and x3 y3 is equal to 7 and 2. Area of the triangle, so let's substitute. Half into 4, 5 minus 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 6 into plus 7, 6 minus 5. Half into 4 into 3 plus 1 into minus 4 plus 7 into 1. So this is equal to half into 12 minus 4 plus 7. So this is equal to half into 15. So 15 by 2. Ratio of areas is equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC. This is equal to 5 by 6 and this is 15 by 2. So this is equal to 5 by 6 into 2 by 15, 2, 3, 5, 3. So this is equal to 1 by 9. Answer.
25th question.
In this question, we are given a figure which has a circle with center O, and we have a triangle here. A, B, B. This angle is theta, and AB is perpendicular to the radius OA. We know this is shown as the tangent. and radius is OA R, and we have a shaded portion here. We are given that angle BOA is equal to theta, radius is equal to R. We have to prove that perimeter of shaded region is R into tan theta plus sec theta plus pi theta by 180 minus 1. Perimeter would be equal to arc AP plus PB plus AB. Arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Tan theta is equal to AB by r, therefore AB is equal to tan theta r. And then we have cos theta is equal to r by OB, therefore OB is equal to r by cos theta. In perimeter, I'll write down arc AP plus AB plus PB. So we have arc AP, we have already found out, theta by 360 into 2 pi r plus AB is tan theta r, PB is OB minus OP. So this is equal to 2 gets cancelled with this 180. So we have theta by r divided by 180 degree plus tan theta r, and OB we have as r by cos theta minus OP is again r here, and we see r is common everywhere, so r pi theta by 180 degree plus tan theta cos theta I can write down as sec theta minus 1. So now I can just write down as it is asked in the question. So plus sec theta plus pi theta by 180 minus 1. So hence proved.
Question number 26th.
In this question, we have 49 houses in a row. So they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 48, 49. Now there is a house number X such that sum of these house numbers, let it be sum 1, is equal to sum of these house numbers. Let this be sum 2. Now let's have AP1, the sum of the houses before X. A here is 1, D is also 1, and N is equal to X minus 1. And in AP2 we have A is equal to 49. I am going to take in the reverse order, and D is equal to minus 1 and N is equal to 49 minus X. Sum of N terms is equal to N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 into D. So now let's substitute for AP1. So here we have N as X minus 1 by 2 and 2 into 1 plus N minus 1. So N is X minus 1 minus 1, D is 1. This is equal to N here is 49 minus X divided by 2 and 2 into 49 plus N is 49 minus X minus 1 into minus 1. So here we have x minus 1 by 2, and in bracket we have 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 49 minus x by 2, and here 98 plus 48 minus x into minus 1. Then we have x minus 1, and this 2 can get cancelled here, so this 2 and this 2 also gets cancelled, into x is equal to 49 minus x into, this is 98, and minus 48 plus x. Here we have x square minus x is equal to 49 minus x into 50 plus x. So this is equal to x square minus x is equal to 0, 45 and 2450 minus 50x plus 49x minus x square. We have 2x square, and this is plus x minus x is equal to 2450. So this gets cancelled, and we have 2x square is equal to 2450, x square is equal to 2450 divided by 2, so we have 1225. So x is equal to 35. That's a perfect square answer.
Question number 27th.
In this question, we are given the speed of motorboat in still water is 24 km per hour, and distance is equal to 32 kilometers, and we have to find the speed of stream, and we are also given the time to go upstream is more than time to go downstream by 1 hour. Time is equal to distance by speed. Let the speed of the stream, which we need to find out, be x kilometer per hour. Now let's substitute here. So we have time of going upstream minus time of going downstream is equal to 1. Now time of upstream, so distance is same, so 32 kilometer upstream, and when you're going upstream, speeds are subtracted. So speed of boat minus speed of stream minus time, again distance is same, and here speeds will be added, so 32 is common, and I can write down 24 plus x minus 24 minus x is equal to 24 minus x into 24 plus x. So here we have 32 into 24 plus x minus 24 plus x is equal to 24 square minus x square. This 24 and 24 gets cancelled, so 32 into 2, so 64x is equal to 576 minus x square. So everything bringing on the left hand side, we get x square plus 64x minus 576 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this equation, so for that we need to find out two numbers such that sum is equal to 64 and product is equal to minus 576. So let's find out the factors. 576, 288 into 2 times, and 3, 1, 9 and 2. Then we have 4 times, so 4 will be 144 into 4. Then 5 and 6, so 6 times 96, and 7, 8 times 72. We can take plus 72 and minus 8. So let's spread the middle term. X square plus 72x minus 8x minus 576 is equal to 0. X is common. X plus 72 minus 8, x plus 72 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 and x plus 72 are the factors for this equation. So x is equal to 8 or minus 72. So as x cannot be negative here, therefore x is equal to 8. So answer, the speed of stream is 8 km per hour.
28th question. This question we have to draw an isosceles triangle ABC. BC is equal to 5.5 and AB is equal to AC. Altitude AL is 3 centimeter. And we also have to construct another similar triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. This is C dash and this will be A dash. So A dash by B or B is equal to 3/4 is also equal to BC dash by BC, and this is also equal to A dash C dash by AC. Let's start constructing now. Let's draw BC 5.5 centimeter. If we draw perpendicular bisector, it will be also an altitude. Let's draw arc from B, arc from C, and on the other side also we have one arc from B, one arc from C. Now let's join this. So this is perpendicular bisector of BC. Let's mark from L 3 centimeter. So that's the altitude. Now let's join B and from C. And this point is A. We have to draw a similar triangle. Let's draw a line from B at any angle. Then we are going to make equal arcs from B. So from B one arc, then second arc, let this be A1 and this be A2. Then from A2 another arc, A3. Then we have another arc from A3, that is A4. Let's join A4 to C. We measure this angle A4 and we have to draw the same angle at A3 to draw a parallel line. This is C dash. Then we have to measure angle C and we'll draw a same angle at C dash. So here we have a line. Now this is A dash. Triangle A dash B C dash is the similar triangle to triangle ABC with sides 3/4 of. We can write down the steps of construction. So first step of construction is draw a line BC of 5.5 centimeter. Second, draw the perpendicular bisector of line BC to get L. Third, mark 3 centimeter from L to get point A. Fourth, join BA and CA. Then from B, draw a line at any angle on the opposite side of A. Then from B on the line mark 4 equal arcs, A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. Join A4 to C at A3. Make same angle as angle BA4C to get C dash on BC. Ninth, at C dash draw an angle equal to angle C to meet AB at A dash. 10th, A dash BC dash is the required triangle. 29th question. In this question, we have to prove that the tangents drawn at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. We are given a circle and we have tangent, center is O, and we can take this point as P. So we are given a circle with center O and radius as OP and tangent at P, and we have to prove OP is perpendicular to PQ. PQ means we can draw a line here and extend it till point Q, and let this point be R, intersecting at the circle. Now we can do the construction. Draw radius OR and extend it to Q, and let this be AB. Q at AB. Now proof. So we have here OP is equal to OR, radii of the same circle, and we know OQ is equal to OR plus RQ. We can say OQ is greater than OR, or I can say OQ is greater than OP, and we know the shortest line joining a point to any point on a line
is perpendicular to it, to that line. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to AB and OP is perpendicular to PQ. So hence proved. 30th question. In this question we have a lighthouse and this is 100 meters above the sea level. So let this be the sea level, and the angle of depression of a ship sailing directly towards it changes the angle from 30 degree to 60 degree. We have this angle and from this angle of depression from here. So this angle is 30 degree and it changes to 60 degree, this angle. So we know alternate angles are equal and angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. So this angle will be 30 degree and this angle will be 60 degree. So we have to find the distance traveled by ship during this period of observation. So we have to find this distance. Let's name the vertices. So A, B, C, D. Tan 60 degree is equal to AD by AB. So tan 60 degree is root 3, AD is 100 and AB. So AB is equal to 100 by root 3. Now we'll go for tan 30 degree is equal to AD by AC. Now tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to AD is 100 and AC is AB plus D. AB plus D is equal to 100 root 3 and D is equal to 100 root 3 minus AB, and AB we can substitute from the previous thing. So let this be 1. So 100 root 3 minus 100 by root 3 from 1. D is equal to 100 into 3 minus 100 by root 3. So D is equal to 200 by root 3. Now let's rationalize. So D is equal to 200 root 3 by 3. So now D is equal to 200 into root 3 is 1.73 given in the question by 3. Distance is equal to 2 decimal points will be gone by this. So 2, 3, 6, 14, 1, 346 divided by 3. So this is equal to 3, 1, 1, 5, 3, 3. So answer, the distance travelled during observation is 115.33 meter. Question number 31st. This is the last question of this section as well as the question paper. In this question we have a rectangular park whose breadth is 3 meter less than its length. This is length and this is length minus 3 meter, and its area is to be 4 square meters more than area of the park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle. Area of rectangle is equal to area of triangle is 4 meter square. Base is as the breadth of the rectangle and altitude is 12. So this altitude is 12 meter. And we have to find the dimensions of the rectangular park. Let the length of the rectangle be L meter. Therefore, breadth is equal to L minus 3 meter, and base of triangle is also equal to L minus 3 meter, and altitude is 12 meter. Now let's substitute. So now area of rectangle is equal to area of triangle plus 4 meter square. So we have area of rectangle as length into breadth is equal to half into base into height plus 4. So length is L and breadth is L minus 3 is equal to half into base is L minus 3 and height is 12 plus 4. This goes by 6. So we have L square minus 3L is equal to 6L minus 18 plus 4. So we have L square minus 9L plus 14 equal to 0. So now we need to solve this equations. So by splitting the middle term, we know the sum has to be minus 9 and product has to be 14. So we know this would be minus 7L minus 2L plus 14 is equal to 0. So L is common, L minus 7 minus 2, L minus 7 is equal to 0. So the factors for this equation are L minus 7 and L minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore L is equal to 7 or 2. L cannot be 2, as then breadth would be negative, would become negative. Therefore L is equal to 7. Answer, we have length is 7 meter and breadth is 7 minus 3, so 4 meter. So we have finished this section as well as this question paper of set 2, and set 3 we are going to start in our next video. So stay tuned and see you all.